Welcome to our program. Today we journey into the hidden world of a creature both fascinating and misunderstood. A creature that has lived alongside us for millennia. We're talking about lice. Lice. The very word might make you itch, but these tiny insects are more than just a nuisance. They are remarkable examples of adaptation. They offer us a glimpse into the intricate web of life on Earth. Join me as we delve into the secret life of lice. We'll uncover their secrets, from their fascinating biology to their crucial role in the ecosystem. Lice are small, wingless insects. They are external parasites, meaning they live on the outside of their host. Different types of lice prefer different hosts. Some live on humans, while others prefer animals like birds or mammals. These creatures are remarkably well adapted to their environment. Their bodies are flat and narrow, perfect for navigating through hair or feathers. They have strong claws on their legs, allowing them to cling tightly to their host. Lice have a fascinating life cycle. Females lay eggs called nits, which attach firmly to hair shafts. These nits hatch into nymphs, which look like smaller versions of adult lice. The nymphs molt several times before reaching adulthood. Lice have a close relationship with their hosts. They rely on their hosts for food, warmth, and transportation. But this relationship is not always harmonious. In humans, lice infestations can cause itching and discomfort. Scratching can lead to skin irritation and secondary infections. While not usually dangerous, lice can be a nuisance. But lice are more than just pests. They play a role in the larger ecosystem. They are a food source for other insects and animals. They help control populations of their hosts. Lice may be small, but they offer big lessons. They remind us that every creature, no matter how tiny, has a role to play. Studying lice helps us understand the complex relationships between different species. By learning about lice, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life. We see how even the smallest creatures can have a significant impact on the world around them. So, the next time you hear the word lice, remember their hidden world. Remember their remarkable adaptations and their important place in the grand tapestry of life.